disappointing end to the game there. How would you sum up the team's performance in your words?
I think the performance first half in particular was very good. Going 2-0 up against such a threatening team, playing the way we did, the goals that we scored, the chances that we created was excellent. And then second half was still created chances, but we weren't clinical enough and allowed them to get back in the game.
I was just going to touch on that. So we've missed quite a few chances in that second half. Is that something that worries you after the amount of goals we scored last season?
I don't think it worries me. I think that tonight in particular, in the second half, our decision making at key times in the final third was not what it should be. And I think that it should be a lesson for us moving forward, that we have to put teams out of sight. Yeah. Otherwise, what happened tonight, can happen. So I think it's an important lesson.
Up until that deflected goal that got Newtown back in the game, they didn't really have a shot on target.
That's what I mean. You have to, if you look at the chances that we created in the first half and the second half, a deflected goal, happens in football. Yeah. You have to accept it, and then it gives the team something to work towards getting an equaliser, and that's what happened. So you look at that. It happens in football, so we have to deal with it. But we still had chances after that to score more goals. So it's on us, and it's important that we make sure we're ready for not just Monday, but the next couple of games. So it's a frustrating evening.
I thought we rode the Newtown press and everything in that last, especially with Keegan making so many saves. Yeah,
but he shouldn't get to that point. And Keegs I don't think he's made a save for the last 4 games. So to have to make 2 crucial saves before it goes 2-2, we need to look at that and put ourselves in that. We shouldn't put ourselves in that position. And they're great saves, and credit to him because he hasn't done anything significant really for the whole game. So it's just frustrating with scoring so late really, and some questionable free kicks.
Just want to touch on Luca. Made his first start today. Did very well in that first half.
Yeah, very pleased with him. Lots of energy. Was a real threat. Nicked the ball a couple of times up high, and again, it goes to decision making. Should have been played in a bit more, really, I thought. So I was pleased with him, and hopefully he'll contribute a lot more over the season.
Also, Danny Warren returning tonight. Obviously, he'll start getting his match fitness now.
Yeah, got 20 minutes, I think. So it's good to have him back.
Even had chances as well.
Yeah, as a threat, and I think we can say that Danny will take those chances. Obviously, he's rusty, but it's good to have him back.
On Monday, we've got a different team again with Brickfield, so obviously they'll give a different threat to you.
Yeah, we need to look at them over the weekend and plan for them. I'm sure they were here tonight watching, and they might be buoyed by what they've seen. So we'll have to prepare for them.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks.